Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got a great number one from 1966, made famous by the Small Faces. This is called All or Nothing. I'm sure you know this one, it's been requested quite a bit, so here we go. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So without further ado, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. The Small Faces, let's show you how we do that. So first off, we're going to start with a D major chord, and we're going to strike strings 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's D string, G string, B string, E string. All the magic happens with our little finger on and off of the 3rd fret of the E string. So let's show you first off how it goes. So we've got 4, 3, 2, and then we're going to up pick on the E string, and then hammer on with our little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. So we got, and then pick up again with it off, yeah? So we get that. Got it? So, and then that's the first time round. And the second time round, it's slightly different. It goes, so how we do that is we go 4, 3, 2, strike the E string, but then we're going to do a hammer on and a pull off, and then we're going to go 2 string, 2nd string, 3rd string, okay? Okay, so first time round it goes, so a hammer on, and then up pick with it off. And then the second time round it goes hammer, up pick, hammer on, pull off, and then we're going to go strings, the 2nd string and the 3rd string. One more time for you. So all together then. One more time. Okay, so that's how you play the D part of that riff. Then you got kind of like arpeggios hanging up, happening on when you play the A, which is the next chord. We're going to go twice round, so 2 bars of that, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, so 3, 4, 3, 2, okay? And again for you. I'll do that one more time, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. And then we're back to that riff again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. We're going to go through the chords now. So after we've done them 2 bits, we've got down, down, down. So that's D. It's D, A, G. What I do for that to get a nice clean quick change, I go D, and then I bar with one finger on strings 4, 3, 2 and 1, taking care really not to play the first string, because that's going to give us the chord of A6. So we've got, so that's to the G, and then we're going to do all down strokes like that. So and then we're going to go D, G, A. So first off we've got to the G, and then D, G, A, and then we got G, A, D. So the three ways is, so it's D, A, G, and then D, G, A, and then G, A, D. So we got D, G, A, G, A, D. And that brings us into the chorus. So one more time then, we got D, A, G, then G, sorry, D, G, A, and then G, A, D. Okay, that's going to bring us into the chorus. Chorus goes like this. It's D major, and then B minor, bar chord of B minor is would sound better. So we've got all or nothing, and then B minor, all or nothing, and then I would do a bar chord of G major, all or nothing, 4, brings us back to the D. So we're going to do downstrokes, so it's going to sound like this. D, then to B minor, up to G, back to D. Okay, and then we go through that process again. You know, the there we have it, All or Nothing by the Small Faces from 1966. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. It helps me out an awful lot, guys. Always very grateful. A big thank you to those that have liked and subscribed already. So I'll see you in the next video. Take great care of yourselves, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye now.